I'm dying from exhaustion fumes. Look at the wheels, baby. You can see my car and the reflection. Oh, damn it.
Is this thing on?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are we doing today?
Well,
we got this E46 M3 in the shop today. My man's Jacob with his cold air intake.
yeah, we're gonna see if we can put this thing on.
So today we're gonna do it again.
I hate you. What's up, guys? Today in the Cherry Garage, we're going to put on a cold air intake on this E46 M3 and see if there's any advantage to a cold air intake over the stock air intake system.
No.
We don't have a dyno. We'll do the butt dyno.
We'll do the OBD dyno.
Yeah.
Okay. You ever see those TikTok videos where they just toss it and then it's like installed?
There. Yeah. But so this is where stock intake is, and you have all this. So we're probably gonna have to take all that out, and then this will go in there. Yeah. Step one: get the tools ready and take off the.
I'm pretty sure we need a screwdriver.
Yeah.
Got a selection of screwdrivers here.
We're gonna set this right here, okay?
Not on the. And then. That's fine, dude. Flathead.
Yeah, that'll probably do it.
Here, let me get some better lighting for you, bud.
That would be great. Keaton is our lighting specialist.
Dude, your hood's not metal.
That works.
Yes. Let's see how the old air filter's doing.
I don't know, but this thing's a pain in the arse.
Oh, look at that. Solid move.
It's still.
I got an idea. It's separating now.
Yeah. There we go.
BMW technicians.
Certified.
A black filter. But it used to be white. It smells like it's been. I think it used to be white, dude. Is that from oil? If it is, it's not good. We'll check the MAF sensor.
Looks fine.
Yeah.
Looks great.
Solid. Guys, peep the Cherry Garage magnet.
Here, get this video right quick.
Oh, yeah, dude, put it back in. What are you doing?
Oh, I just got it out.
Cool. I remember replacing that alternator.
That was fun.
Was this on the car before?
I don't know.
Because maybe it wasn't because it didn't fit. Oh, you know what would help? Loosening this and turning it a little bit.
That's a great
down.
idea.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Nice. Solid.
Oh, wow.
This looks great. Now you should leave it up. Thin layer. It's a lot. Done.
So once you've lubed it up, it'll be ready for insertion into the, what is
Orifice?
that? The intake elbow. That's what they call it.
Really?
Well, it's shaped kind of like an elbow, you know?
Oh, sure. It could be shoulder.
Not really.
Yeah. Just a wee bit. And I have another device that might help you.
Wait,
Oh, is it the video of you? Oh,
I got it!
nice. Keep it going, baby.
Think that's enough?
At least the depth of the...
Ring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, poke a hole in it and see.
No.
This has been quite an experience. You know what we didn't do and we like really fucked up on?
The before sound?
Yeah. Got him.
Got him.
Did you bring the gasket?
The engine is very nice. It's a lot of fun. It's weight reduction.
It's smart.
Ta-da! Should I start her up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
exhaust sound.
Do you want to like drive it around?
Sure.
Should I plan to do it?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? We just went to the junkyard.
You pick apart, and we got a little baby turbo from an Audi A4 and a little HID kit and some blinker pieces for my car because they broke because some biker hit my car. And then we're on our way back to the garage to meet Alec, and he's bringing a wiring harness for his new engine.
See you at the garage.
Yeah, we're about to do some work on the engine today.
The engine. Alec, we met him.
Yeah,
on the
you've
street.
met me.
He found this VQ37.
Yep.
VQ37.
The end guy?
VHR.
I think this still works. Well, gosh darn it! What a beaut. What'd you just bring today? Oh my god, how much oil you fucking.
So yeah, I brought some, got a new engine harness for it, EFI harness for it. Took out the spark plugs, went in there with a borescope. The cylinder walls are just like pristine, because it's only got 25,000 miles. So let's put some oil in and crank it.
Okay.
I got one of your sockets, what are these? Yeah, sockets stuck in there, so we got to get that out.
You see it in there? Right in that hole. Wanna watch me get it out?
Yeah.
I'll try my best with you right there. Ta-da! That's what I bought today. Take a read.
A turbocharger pump and is it a turbo or a supercharger? Because they just
Turbo.
label it as both.
Prepubescent snail.
You know you're gonna have to make a custom header, right?
Oh yeah. Look at all this shit he's bringing in here. What? Maybe.
So, tire engine harness uncut. Then I gotta get an ECU. I've got the V-Vel module and sub harness for that I had to cut out of the car. I'm gonna send it into a company, they're gonna rewire it all. There we go.
You guys want to play some Minecraft?
Oh yeah, dude.
Having fun? Fuck. Yeah.
Counterclockwise from the front.
Yeah. So you loosening it?
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, do that.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Well, good thing is you don't have to return it.
Yeah.
Alec, you look like you're listening for a ghost.
Is that a
You guys
ghost?
hear that?
You guys hear that?
Oh my god.
Oh wait, I think we're out of memory.
Whoa.
Does that mean we're out of memory?
Yeah, you got 0 time left.
Okay.
Info.
Howdy.
Howdy, partner.
I reckon I parked over here so we could get the truck closer to the door.
Well, that makes mighty sense to me.
I reckon.
I reckon. I got my boy some Mickey D's. The young salty egg and cheese.
That's why it's salty as fuck. Yours in here too?
Yeah. Let's do a quick
Recap.
overall. Yeah.
Are you gonna like cut or are we just gonna be like,
I don't need a cut.
alright, well, greetings.
No, let's be a little less weird.
Greetings.
What's up, fam?
Well,
We've been
so we
working on
got
the floor.
4 squares done. We got this done a couple weeks
Yeah,
ago.
yeah. You
with
think you
a
saw
hand
this.
tool, just like this.
This stuff looks nice.
Keaton did a great job.
Thanks. That's me.
It took a really long time.
Yeah. But then we rented this big old boy. Big old boy.
Rented this guy, and you can see we have this square, and then all the way down to here, all the way over to here.
Just about a little more than half of the middle. And clearing out this area a little bit because we're moving that wall to the side. But we're thinking about cutting that area out. We're gonna leave that window there. That section. But we're gonna cut that front area out.
Wait. So you're just gonna have a 4-foot wall and a window, and then this just be an open area,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna build a wall right here, right?
Well, there's just gonna be a post right here.
You're not gonna build a wall right here?
No, it's gonna be open. It's just a break room. Check out Peep, the old sign.
Peep. R.I.P. Lil Peep.
And that's cool, yeah. Sorry for making you dizzy. So we're gonna put that plywood up there and then cover the ceiling with fabric after we chip off all the old paint. Yeah. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's eat real quick and